I'm gonna go pick up another Fox body. SSP Georgia State Highway Patrol
launching a new show that's an all Fox show.
Let's be honest, the last couple of months,
Hello, welcome to Gearhead 704, and I'm Tiffany, not Matt. I am taking over again, taking you with me. I'm gonna go pick up another Fox body. So you guys get to come with me. Let's go check this out, and maybe I'm gonna get to drive it, and maybe I'll even drive it home. So let's go see. Oh, hi, hon. Oh, you're looking for your camera? I don't know. I'm not sure where it is. I just went to go run a quick errand. I'll be back, I promise. Okay, love you too. Bye. Hey, I'm here at Fox Mustang Restorations, and I am excited to check out Peaches. Now, Peaches is a SSP Georgia State Highway Patrol. I'm actually a little interested since we own an SSP, working on it. Let's go in and check it out. Oh, hey!
perfect.
Hey, so behind me is Peaches, and I came to pick up the keys and actually drive it. I'm actually driving it home today, so I'm kind of excited. I'm excited that it's an automatic and I don't have to worry about changing the gears and stalling, because that's one of my biggest fears. Hey, let's see how she handles. I am inside here, so we are talking original stuff. This was a Georgia State Highway Patrol. That's why they nicknamed it Peaches. And get the seatbelt on and get going. This is my first time being in a Fox body that was not a manual. It's actually an automatic. Has still that Mustang feel. Also used to having more noise, and this does not have the exhaust system that I know some people enjoy so much. There's not as much that drone and that loud exhaust that you have to yell over. How do you know you're in a Fox body? You have to yell. I'm at my first stoplight, and I have no anxiety right now because I know I do not have to worry about shifting into first gear and possibly stalling. So I'm just gonna go. Ha! All right, getting on the highway. There we go. Like it. Hey, I am here with Jen, and I am really curious because I love Foxtoberfest. I loved going this last time, but I hear there's something new coming up this year.
Yeah, absolutely. So Foxtoberfest is an all Fox show, as a lot of you know, that we host here in North Carolina. But we're actually launching a new show that's an all Fox show also, that's called the Chocolate Fox, because we're hosting it in Hershey, Pennsylvania, which is Chocolate Town, USA. And so
that makes me hungry.
People did ask me, will there actually be chocolate? So yes, there will be chocolate there. And so that's going to happen on May 9th of 2020, so less than 90 days from today. Yeah, so it's coming up really fast. So if you have a project that you're working on, you're gonna want to get moving on that thing because we don't have much time. It's less than 12 weekends until the show. So May 9th, 2020, we're doing a kickoff party at Newfangled Brew Works, which is awesome. It's a great space. They have a big parking lot. They're really excited to have us, and they'll also be there on Saturday. At the show, they're bringing their smoker, they make barbecue, they're also bringing their brews out for Saturday, so we're really excited to partner with them. That's going to be Friday night, May 8th from 5 to 8. We'll be at their facility, that's actually in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, which is only 12 minutes from the museum. Oh, and the Chocolate Fox itself is going to be at the AACA Museum in Hershey. It is a beautiful facility. It's a Smithsonian affiliate, so they're the level of that museum is just like a Smithsonian museum. It's really, it's really well displayed. They have different exhibits all the time. So we got to tour it a couple of weeks ago when we went up there, and it was top notch. So we're really excited for them to have our event there, to be our venue, and it's a beautiful like rolling hills, like all these foxes on all this property is gonna look gorgeous, and there's like this big building up at the top. Like it's top notch. We're excited.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow, that actually sounds really good. I know that Matt is really wanting to get there. I don't know if he's gonna have a working Foxbody to have present, but I know that he doesn't want to miss it at all. And I hope that you guys don't miss it.
Your registration for the Chocolate Fox does come with admission to the museum. So
that's great.
So
two for one.
Exactly. So registration is $35 to have your car in the show, and that, like I said, that includes the museum ticket. And then if you pre-register online, which you can do that at chocolatefoxshow.com. You can also register on site, and that's $40.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So make sure if you want to save yourself even a little bit of money, pre-register. Thank you so much, Jen.
Yeah,
and
thank you.
I know all the work that you've put into Foxtoberfest is only just going to make Chocolate Fox just outstanding.
Yeah, and we've gotten a really amazing response. I mean, we knew that people would be excited about this, but it is just blown our minds, like how excited the Northeast is to have their own all-Fox show, the Chocolate Fox. So we're excited to come and see you guys and bring you into our Fox community.
I am back at home in the garage with Tar Heel Fox, and I have a little bit of confession. So you saw me grab the keys for Peaches. I did drive her home, but I'm not keeping her. She is just on loan. Matt and Jen are letting us borrow Peaches for a little while. Sorry if you guys got a little excited about me having my own Foxbody. It is not in the cards yet. Maybe in the future. Maybe if that SSP that we have gets all fixed, that'll be something that maybe I can be driving around. I don't know. It's kind of fun. So maybe I'll be in more Foxbodies in the future, but did want to let you guys know I did not buy Peaches.
All right, everybody, this is Matt making my appearance in the video. Obviously, Tiffany is not buying the car. We kind of threw that in to have fun, but I do have plans for this car. That's the reason why she picked it up. I've got some plans to go ahead and do a special video on it. That's why I have it. I'm actually driving it right now and trying to make an appointment, but I wanted to throw this in the video. If you're watching this right now, you are part of my core audience. And people that watch to the end, you guys are my core. You're the ones that most of the time are commenting, you're interacting with me, and really, I just want to say how much I appreciate you guys so much. You are what makes me continue going on with this channel. You know, you can watch a lot of other channels, you're watching mine. Let's be honest, the last couple of months have not been the content I normally like to bring you on Gearhead 704, and you're still sticking with me. I really wanted to bring you more content working on the cars. You know why I haven't. I've put videos up about that before, but I haven't been able to. Life's gotten in the way, and my channel is kind of real like that. You know, this is what real life is like when YouTube is not your full-time job and you don't have unlimited means. You know, I'm limited on my money and my time. And that's why it means so much more that you guys are actually sticking in there with me. You're still watching the channel. And I've tried to make it very entertaining. So the way that I watch YouTube is I actually watch YouTube for the person. You know, initially I get drawn to a channel about maybe a particular video, but the channels I continuously watch over and over, it's because I like the person. I like their personality. I enjoy it. And I think the same is true for you guys. If you're still watching me here in this channel, you've been supporting me, I think we have a connection there, right? You're enjoying what I do, how I approach things. Certainly you guys have been great. For Tiffany, she feels really good about it. I think she's getting close to starting that YouTube channel. And so that's why I'm talking to you guys right now about that, all the support you bring and how much it means. In fact, we just did a live stream recently, last Friday as I'm recording this, and I really enjoyed it. It was more fun than my first live stream. It was more like a hangout, and I just loved it. You know, I think I only got one super chat. Thank you, Mustang Mike 256. But you know what? That didn't even matter. I wasn't in it for the super chat. You know, I was in it to interact with you guys and just kind of be real with you. And the feedback we got was just awesome. Like I said, Tiffany enjoyed it too. I love having her as a part of this whole thing. And you know, she's my whole life, really, her and the kids. So it's cool that she can be a part of it and they can feel like a part of it. I probably will actually have the kids on the channel a little bit more. They've been on here in the past, just bits here and there, but I'm getting more comfortable with that. But yeah, I just wanted to put that out there because you certainly could be tuning I'm not a typical Foxbody channel. I am not. If you want to see people working on cars and racing their cars and getting projects done a lot more quickly, there's lots of channels out there for that. And I think what I provide instead is entertainment and more realistic, you know, what it's actually like in this grind. And I feel so fortunate to have you guys stick it in there. I really do. I know I mentioned it several times. So from the bottom of my heart, I just wanted to say thank you, and look for the full video on this car coming soon. Also, this upcoming Monday for me, it's probably already happened by the time this video posts, but I am going to be working on the SSP for the entire day, and I'm very hopeful I can get the motor out. So I am going to start bringing you some of that content where we can move forward, and I still think I can get it done in time for one of the shows upcoming. So anyway, let me throw it back to Tiff, but I really appreciate all your guys' support and just want to let you know that.
Please hit that like button. If you have not yet, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time here on Gearhead 704.